Hey guys, we're doing a realistic day in a life. First, I beg my mom to pet me. But she decides not to, so rude. So I turn my back on her, gotta show some tough love. Then I chew. And then I just hop around. Then I snuggle in my blanket. Should I jump now? Now my mom pets me. And I do a little binky 'cause life is good. Then my mom makes a smoothie. No fair, I want some too. Then I groom myself. This is a very important time of day. Good all clean. Now I have my best part of the day eating my stick. You guys, I love this thing. Now some pictures. And now I sleep.